today I actually got my tripod out here so I can make a decent video for you guys. But yeah, we're back at it again. Working on the Ranger. Doing a quick little mod I'll show you guys right now. Shouldn't take too long. Going to be installing this quick release from Sweet Manufacturing. Pretty cool. I gotta cut the old steering that's on the truck right now, then weld this piece, and then you put it in here, pull this back, and it's good. It won't come out, so I need to get that welded on there. And then we got a new PRP steering wheel. It's pretty flat. I chose it to be flat because I'm a bigger guy in that truck, so I need all the space I can get. But I'll just put you guys in the truck and we'll start getting to work. So, to get the wheel off, sometimes some people are lucky and you could just unbolt the middle bolt in here and do some funky little moving around. But I mean, I sprayed WD-40, some other type of penetrating fluid, and nothing worked. I even gave it a couple whacks with this, nothing happened. So went to good old Hazard Freight and I picked this up. Let's see if I can get it open. They had a steering wheel puller there, but I didn't really get how it was gonna at least work in my application, so I just got one of these and I'm gonna see if I can get it, so we'll both find out right now if this will work. Man, these are covered in freaking oil, at least so it won't rust, but now my hands are all nasty. Looks like did the trick. Didn't really take that much force. I don't know why I was hammering it with this. Didn't do nothing, but there we go. There is that. So now garbage. I don't know, I could probably sell it, but I don't know. But for now, I'll put it back here. I don't need this anymore. You can clip that out. Let's see. Maybe I can figure out how to take this out. Looks like it might be just a clip. So I took out the clock spring or whatever the freaking thing it's called, and I just yanked out the cables because I don't got no horn and I'm not going to have an airbag, so I don't need it. So what I'm going to do, or what I had to do, is on this little adapter I had to cut it a little bit so I can have some space to weld right here. So I'm just going to start welding it right now. I'm going to tack it in right now and see how it goes. While I'm letting that cool down a little bit, it might have been got a little too hot, so I'm gonna let it cool down. I'm gonna attach the hub to the wheel. So we got it all on there, welded on. Here's a quick release. Boom. Now just need to get that back on, but pretty nice. Just need to file down the hole in here a little bit. Not much, but here's a little up close view. Nice, sleek, clean. There you go, it's welded on there. Ready to go. I'm gonna go sit inside, clean this up real quick, and see how it feels sitting down. How it fits with me in here. I'm a bit of a fatty, so keep in mind, I'm 6'5", 340 pounds, inside a little mid-sized truck. Significantly better. Smaller steering wheel, better control for me. I like it. Really dig it. Really simple. I welded it pretty good. Well, it's all welded all the way around, so shouldn't be bad. Shouldn't have any problem with that. But yeah. So that was it. Just a quick little install for today. Started around 6. Like an hour, 20 minutes to do. Would have been sooner if, I was just moving the tripod around and whatnot, but yeah, that's how I installed it on this Ranger 98. I think there's only like one other video where someone installs an aftermarket steering wheel with a quick release. I went with just a Sweet Manufacturing one because I seen a video someone using the NRG ones, but you need to buy the hub, I think it's a hub adapter, and then the quick release hub, and then the wheel. So there's like 3 parts, and I tried to eliminate having something super stacked close to me because I'm trying to get as much room as I can in the cab. So I really recommend Sweet Manufacturing. Really simple. As long as you got a welder, some basic little fabrication. Not even fabricating, you just cut it and weld it. Really easy. So yeah, that's the video.